What is going on, all you beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ricky Arnold here, and I am about to bring you another adventure, but this one is just a little bit different, so I'm gonna go ahead and explain why here in just a second, so let's go. So where are we going, you might ask? Well, we're gonna go to Las Vegas. Yeah, I know. As soon as everybody hears Las Vegas, they think one word: party, right?
It's party time! P-A-R-T. Why? Because I gotta!
The first time I ever went to Las Vegas, I went there for 4 or 5 days actually, and I totally regretted it. So yeah, 2-3 days at max, probably. You go down there for a short period of time and all you do is you drink, spend money, and literally run your body down to its bare bones to where all you want to do is go home. That's what my experience with Las Vegas was the first 3 times I went. And honestly, yeah, I did have a good time. It was pretty awesome. And here's some clips to show you right now. The reason why I was going down there this time was to meet up with my girlfriend because she actually lives in Las Vegas. And I was thinking to myself, an entire week in Vegas, oh my God, I am not gonna be able to last. I'm gonna be dead the whole time and I'm just gonna wanna sleep pretty much for half that time I'm there. But honestly, this time around, I was pleasantly surprised with my entire trip in Las Vegas, and I'm gonna show you guys why. So here we go.
What is up, guys? We are finally in Las Vegas. On the side of a cliff. No big deal, just gotta tie your shoe. So we're at the Hoover Dam today. Check this out. Alex is already over it. What's the matter, Alex? Okay, bye. And now we're at the Grand Canyon. Hello everyone. Alex and I have traveled many miles, and now we're on top of the mountain again.
Alright guys, so as you can see, my girlfriend Alex and I had a great time in Las Vegas together. We went on so many different adventures that I personally would have never even thought of doing when I went to Las Vegas in the past. So if you guys enjoyed that, make sure you guys give me a like down below. Make sure you guys give me some comments and let me know if I can do anything better. And then make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more content like this. And we'll be bringing some more to you very soon. So until the next video guys, I'm going to get out of here and I'll see you later. Peace.